A block with mass m sits on an inclined plane at an angle theta, and it has coefficient of friction mu. What is the maximum angle that we could have for the block to sit there and not slide down? At this point, I'd like you to press pause and try and figure this out yourself. Find the maximum value of theta so that the block stays still. Find the max theta value, that is the steepest angle of incline for the block to not slide. Okay, press pause. Alright, so I hope you found it. Here's our solution. We have a block. It has mass m, and it's on a plane inclined at angle theta. So looking at the forces on this, here you have the force of gravity, which is going to be 9.8 times m, and we have components. That's angle theta as this is theta. So this is 9.8 m cos theta, 9.8 m sine theta. We have a normal force, which is going to also be 9.8 m cos theta. Otherwise, the block would be flying into the air or being pulled into the plane. For it to sit on there, these two have to be equal. So our force going this way is 9.8 m sine theta. Our force going this way is the force of friction. And our force of friction is the coefficient of friction times the normal force. So this is mu 9.8 m cos theta. Okay, so a simpler free body diagram of our block. So just the block. We've got opposing forces here. I don't need to rewrite them. That's the force of gravity perpendicular. That's the normal force. Our downward force is 9.8 m sine theta, and friction is mu times 9.8 m cos theta. For the block to stay still, they're going to be equal to each other. So simply 9.8 m sine theta is mu 9.8 m cos theta. Cancel the 9.8s, cancel the m's. So sine theta is equal to mu cos theta. Divide both sides by the cosine of theta. Sine theta over cos theta is equal to mu. Okay, so remember back to when you learned trig identities, sine theta over cos theta is tan. So tan theta is equal to the coefficient of friction, making the maximum angle that you can get without sliding equal to the inverse tan. Well, actually it's pronounced arctan. Arctan of the coefficient of friction.